Hey guys, welcome to Weekly Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about Wanchain. So what is Wanchain? What are they trying to do? Essentially, Wanchain is a virtual banking services. They're trying to rebuild the financial infrastructure with private cross-chain smart contracts on the Wanchain platform. They try to digitize the asset. With the blockchain technology, we are getting into more digitized economy. For example, borrowing and lending services, digitize the asset, cross-border, and interbank payment. So some of the Wanchain applications, borrowing and lending. So as more people get into the crypto economy, the demand for borrowing and lending digital currency will increase. For example, a service provider can use a smart contract, create a deposit application, set the interest rate on Wanchain. So a user can transfer the Ethereum from the Ethereum blockchain to the Wanchain smart contract address through a cross-chain transaction. Then the deposit on the Wanchain will release a voucher. The voucher is like a token on the Wanchain, similar to a deposit bank receipt to the user's account on the Wanchain. Then the smart contract can automatically calculate the interest that the user earn when they deposit Ethereum to Wanchain. So this is like when you go to the bank, you deposit your money, the bank give you interest. So instead of fiat, you deposit your digital currency like Ethereum. Then through the smart contract, you get interest of your deposit. And when the user want to withdraw the deposit, then they go through the cross-chain transaction. And then the Ethereum will go back to the original user's account. So this is the whole process. Another application is payment and settlement. With more business accept Bitcoin or other means of payment, then they can also utilize the services. For example, business or user can install the Wanchain wallet to implement multi-currency payment and settlements. Because right now, if we want to pay Bitcoin, we need a Bitcoin wallet. If we pay this is like different types of wallets. So in Wanchain, you minimize so many different wallets. So you have multi-currency wallet in the Wanchain platform. Another application for investing and financing. So we move to a more digitized economy. You can digitize the asset like commercial bills, loyalty points, future earnings, rights, account receivable. Account receivable, you probably heard about Populous, right? It's a invoice factoring services. So for small business. So all this financial asset will be recorded on the distributed ledgers. And then investor can come in to buy this digital asset to do the investment. Another application they can do is to streamline the ICO process. Currently, when you want to participate ICO, you have to exchange to Ethereum because most of the ICO, they accept Ethereum or Bitcoin. So on the Wanchain network, the ICO issuer can issue a smart contract that supports multi-currency investment, and then investor can invest by using Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other altcoins that integrate with the Wanchain. So also, when the new blockchain is launched, then the conversion between the crowdfunding and then the native currency can be complete via the Wanchain cross-chain transactions. So other applications they can have DAPPS on the top of Wanchain. So it's like decentralized applications. So you can also have a multi-currency credit card based on digital currency or asset-backed security, and also peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, digital currency. Who knows, you can digitize maybe in the future, you can digitize the mortgage as well. So for the transaction, they utilize the ring signature, which Monero utilized, so maintain the privacy. Also, they use the single-use account as well. They just use the single-use account with the one-time use, and that's it. So this ensure privacy as well. So they have a token swap. if you participate the Wanchain ICO, when they launched the ICO, it was on Ethereum platform. Right now, they already launched the Wanchain mainnet, so you have to swap your token from the ERC20 token from Ethereum platform to the Wanchain mainnet. So let's look at the team. So Jet Liu is the founder of Wanchain. So before he found Wanchain, he is also the co-founder and CTO of Factoim. So just in case you don't know what is Factoim, Factoim currently is at CoinMarketCap ranking number 65, currently trading at 23.25. So Factom is essentially a real-time recording system. So for example, business use Factom to document their information. So the information cannot be deleted or altered. So Factom also ensures the integrity of the data, for example, like medical records, supply chain, property title, stuff like that. So he already have a track record from previous project. And for Dustin, he is the president of Wanchain. So he graduated from Columbia University, and then he went on to work for Goldman Sachs 1 year before the financial collapse. And then he said, watching the banking meltdown from the inside, I come to realization that the problems were systemic and that the solution would need to come from outside the existing system. So it's pretty interesting that he is also worked for Goldman Sachs like a year before the financial meltdown. And he is also, so they're trying to rebuild the whole financial services and all that, because with the blockchain technology, everything is recorded on the ledger. So so they try to digitize and do also private cross-chain smart contract as well. So when you go and look at the team, Ying Zhao, he is a senior engineer from Huawei. Huawei is huge in China. So he also is a senior developer of Ethereum. So he has a deep understanding of the blockchain technology. And here you can go on and on, all this engineer, cryptography. They have, I think they have expertise in cryptography and blockchain technologies. You go on and on, all this in the team, you know, this is a pretty big team for this project. So you can go through that. And then they have an advisory team as well. So this is like a huge team for this Wanchain project. And let's look at the roadmap for this project. Let's go back. So the roadmap for this project, currently they already launched Wanchain 1.0. There are privacy protection, and then the Wanchain, the coin wallet, which is called Wanchain wallet, and then also they have a blockchain explorer. And also, they also have, for June 2018, they're going to do Wanchain 2.0. So this is a multi-currency wallet. So they're going to integrate with Ethereum and multi-coin wallet as well. And then Wanchain 3.0, they're going to integrate with Bitcoin, also multi-coin wallet. So next year, 2019, they're going to do Wanchain 4.0. They're going to integrate with private chains. So this is the roadmap. And if you go to the wallet, so this, I installed the wallet. The wallet is pretty good because when I install the wallet, it takes me 5 minutes just to synchronize every single block so I can use the wallet. So you can see they already have contracts in here. You can add the custom token. They have a token address and everything. You can add custom token. So just like when you participate in the ICO, then after finishing the ICO, in the MyEther wallet, sometimes you have to add the token in your wallet, right? So this is already ready to go. And then So the wallet is pretty good because it takes less time for me to install it. It's pretty seamless, and compared to some other wallet like Cardano, App, Navcoin wallet, it takes me ages just to synchronize every single blockchain. For Wanchain, it just takes me 5 minutes, and the wallet is ready to use, and I like it so far. Also, they have a Wanchain Explorer as well, so you can trace your transactions. So they have 93,000 followers in Twitter, so it's pretty huge crowd, huge followers actually. And in the GitHub, they have over 1,400 commits. So currently, Wanchain is trading in Binance and currently at 340. So they only trade in Binance right now. So let me know what you think about this project. Please comment below. So what do you think about Wanchain? Will that have huge potential, or I don't know? What do you think? But I like this project. This is a pretty good project in the long term. So let me know what you think. Please comment below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please also share the video with your friends. Be sure to subscribe so you can stay in touch with the free airdrops, hard fork, and upcoming ICO. So we also have an upcoming airdrops for EOS. Make sure you go and check my EOS video. And also they have Oyster Pro. They also have a free airdrop for Oyster Shell. And Monero V, they're going to have a hard fork. So check out my previous video. Also, I also have a video showing how to install this Wanchain wallet. The Wanchain wallet is pretty cool and I like it. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Please use your due diligence to invest your money. Investing ICO has inherent risk. Remember, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace.